on the day that I was born, my old sharecropping one-room country shack. They say my mammy left me the same day that she had me. Since she hit the road and never once looked back. I'd just like to mention that my grandma's old age pension, the reason why I'm standing here today. I get all my country learning, milking and churning, picking cotton, raising hell, baling hay. I've been to Georgia on a fast train, honey. I wasn't born no yesterday. I got a good Christian raising, I had an 8th grade education. Ain't no reason y'all treat me this way. Another woman put together like you are. There's a wiggle as you're walking and a giggle and you're talking in your brand new shiny Plymouth ragtop car. Hurry up and wait in this land of give and take. They say haste makes for waste every time. I declare my soul when you hear them angels roll. Better know I'm gonna get my share of mine. Georgia on a fast train, honey. I wasn't born no yesterday. I got a good Christian raising, great education. Ain't no need for y'all treat me this way. Ain't no need for y'all treat me this way. Ain't no need for y'all treat me this way.